Hello everyone, welcome to Ohio Train class in the world. Norfolk 775 is new. He's brave and best, and Norfolk 7 Railway and ferry goes. I got a cargo train, a railway flatbed car. I got a cargo train at Coca-Cola Land. I got a great idea, get Coca-Cola. 20 years ago, Coca-Cola is America at Benson. Norfolk 775. 20 years ago, Pepsi. Pepsi is America at Benson. Norfolk 775 at America. American train at Benson Railroad Museum, Railroad, America. Norfolk 775. Oh, not again.
Researchers knew that America had been moving hazardous material over long distances by one of the most efficient and safest ways known, in railroad tank cars. The transporting of flammable liquids, such as propane, is safe and uneventful under normal circumstances. However, the terrible result